How do we create a rework order? Like if something, we went out to fit the blinds and then there's a problem, we've got to reorder something. How do we create a reorder, a rework or something?
Rework. So the follow-up rework status is for that purpose. And when it comes to rework, different companies make certain modifications, some work within that. So I'll show you how we have modified it, just to give you your knowledge. So in this, what they have done, I'll show you. Number one, they modified the jobs dashboard to how they want. They wanted all these individual production status and a common status for jobs and stuff like that. And then if I go inside their particular code, they also made modifications in the code screen to have like different statuses, like service, production, audit, site check, all their statuses, and to which team member that belongs to, all that kind of stuff. That'll capture and store in your jobs dashboard. And again, they also configured a tab called service. And in that, they configure all their service types. So this is one way of handling. Okay, so in this, what happened is just like jobs dashboard, they have a service dashboard. So what happens is from jobs, once a quote is approved and once it's in the job, from here, they can click on a service call. So let's say now this particular quote have all these items. Click on service call. That'll bring up their quote screen here with all the items in the quote. They can select which item requires that service call, add any notes related to that, choose whether it's under warranty or service charge involved, and create a service. Now, these are modifications, yeah? Like these are not covered in your subscription, but we can definitely help. So when we meet, we will tell you, okay, this will involve 2 weeks of development. We will charge $400 to $500 to implement it. Once you say, we'll get it done for you.